Hey, how's it going? Circulationist Juan Diaz. So we went over your um, history that we took and everything that we discussed, and we believe that the differential diagnosis is an acute pneumonia, which is the most likely one, what we think it is, and we're going to run some tests to, cipher that out and see if it is. It could also be a lung cancer, carcinoma, but again, we'll do a test to see if that actually is or is not. We can send you off for some x-rays and stuff.
Okay.
Or it could also be pneumococcus, but it could be from the particles you've been respirating at work, and it could be the possible cause of lung cancer. So that's why we want to do tests and see if it is. It could also be from environmental exposure, if you have any mold or stuff like that in the house or at work, But we'll see. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start. Can I have you sitting facing that way?
Yep.
So that you can see in the camera. Okay, so first we're gonna start. All right, Klaus. So first we're gonna start with the physical exam. So we want to see your breathing patterns, how you're breathing. Is it normal or not? Cyanosis is central and peripheral. We want to look at your skin coloration. Is there any redness or paleness, blueness? We also want to see your nails. Can I see your hands? All right, cool. We want to see if there's any blueness there as well. Another thing we want to look for is the chest wall changes. Does it look oval or does it look like a circle? Oval is good. If it's a circle, it's a little more chronic. All right, looks normal to me. All right, class, so first we're gonna start with palpation. Can I have you cross your arms?
Yep.
And bend forward for me. We're gonna start at the APCs. So just feeling it up here. Then we're gonna go lateral to the scapulas, or right next to the scapulas, or meet inside. And then we're gonna go to the triangle auscultation. Then the medial one. Lateral one. Okay. And now we're gonna go to percussion. Same areas, except we're just gonna listen for the sound. Okay. Auscultation. Medial one. And we want to hear resonance, because if it's dull, that means there could be a mass or liquid, and if it's hyper resonance, there's too much air in there. But it's under resonance, it's all normal. So now we want to do tactile firmitis, where I'm gonna be feeling. I'm gonna place my hands in your back, and I'm gonna be feeling for the vibrations. Okay. So every time I place my hands on your back, you're gonna cross your arms and forward, and I'm gonna place my hands, and I'm gonna have you say 99. Okay?
99. 99. 99. 99. 99.
All right. So a positive would be increased firmitis or decrease or absence of firmitis. And if it's an increase, there's fluid or solid mass in the lungs. And if it's decreased from firmitis, then it's too much air in the lungs. All right, Claude, so now we're going to do pulmonary excursion. I'm going to have you sit up for me. I'm going to go ahead and go right here. Okay, and can you breathe in for me? And breathe out. One more time, breathe in. And breathe out. So we're looking for symmetry in the breathing. So you're pretty symmetric, so we're good there. Okay, so next we're gonna go with auscultation. And we're just gonna listen, and so every time, sit up there for me, thank you. And every time I touch you with the stethoscope. You're gonna breathe in and breathe out. I'll go ahead and tell you as well.
Okay.
Okay. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. Breathe in. And one more time. Awesome. So the sounds are pretty much bronchopesicular, normal sounds. There wasn't any wheezing, any crackling, or anything abnormal in the sound. Now we're gonna do the vocal resonance defogging. So I'm gonna place the stethoscope on your back in different areas, and you're gonna just say that you're gonna be E.
Okay.
All right, you're just gonna say E every time I touch you in a different area with the stethoscope, and we're gonna be listening to see if it gets louder or softer.
Okay.
Okay, because if it's an increased clarity, then there could be a presence of something in the lungs. Okay. Okay. Thank you for getting in position, crossing your arms and bending forward. All right. So go ahead and say E for me.
E.
Okay. Again.
E. 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 E.
All right. Sounds good. Everything's pretty even. So there is nothing in the lungs. All right. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming in, and I'll see you again next time.
Awesome.
Thank you.